Can I keep you in mind? And what's good, YouTube? It's your girl Eb. Welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a little while, but this is my first official video of 2018, and I know we're so late, but I hope you guys had a great holiday season, a great new year so far already. But yeah, so let's jump into this video. I want to do a first impressions, because I'm really getting into those lately, on a new foundation. So everybody and their mother have been talking about this foundation, so y'all probably seen it 1,000 times on YouTube, but I finally found it in my Walmart, so I'm so happy. I have no idea, but it is going to be on the Maybelline Color Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation. Like, that's a lot. Like, that's a big claim. 24 hours. So I mean, I don't know anybody who wears 24 hours, but yeah, so if you want to see my first impressions on this, then stay tuned. All right, guys, so like I said, this is the 24-hour Maybelline full coverage Superstay foundation. I picked up the color 356 Warm Coconut, so I hope it's gonna be a good match, because I'm not one of those people that like to buy multiple foundations. Unless I order it online, then I'll try to get like 2 colors, but if I buy it in the store, I try to just get 1 color. And I don't like to test it in the store. I don't want to be one of them nasty people, but yeah, so hopefully this is my color. So let's read the claims that it says on here, because it's a lot. All right, it says it's full coverage foundation, up to 24-hour wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant. I need that because I'm always getting foundation on my clothes. Oil free, doesn't clog your pores, which that sounds like a dream to me. Dermatologist tested. So those are a lot of claims, Maybelline. I paid, how much did I pay for this? I think I paid $9.98 or something at Walmart. You might have to say $10. I paid $10 for this. So let's see if it holds up to the challenge. I also am going to be using, I showed you guys this Eco Tool sponge that I have bought. I showed it to you in a haul. It looks a little cloudy in there because I already wet it, but I just wanted to show you the packaging. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is their Total Perfecting blender, so I'm excited to try that. And don't judge me, but I am probably the last person in the makeup community to try SASHA Buttercup powder, so we will be testing this out today. I have never used it. I just got it in the mail today, so I'm excited to try that. And I told y'all before, like, I'm somebody who sticks to the norm. I stick to what I know and what I love. And I've been using like my MAC powder, sometimes my Ben Nye powder. Yeah, no, I love my my Airspun. I love my Airspun. But my friend Kimmy, she has been telling me to try the SASHA Buttercup powder. So here we are today. So let's jump into it. I'm rambling too much, so let's jump into it. My face is already clean and washed, but I want to take you guys through my entire process. So I'm gonna take off my glasses, and I can't see nothing, barely. And I'm gonna use my favorite moisturizer, which is the L'Oreal Hydra Genius, as usual. And I just take 2.5 pumps. And I mix it. If y'all never tried it, it is so bomb. It has the same feeling as the Neutrogena Hydra Gel, but I think I like this one so much more. Like, I know I like it so much more. And I still have the Neutrogena one, but it hasn't been getting no love from your girl, because this is my favorite. And it smells so good, so clean, so refreshing. So on top of that, I do take a little bit of an oil, and this is just the Argan and Vitamin E oil from Pearl Essence, and it's a balancing facial oil, and I showed you guys this in a haul as well from Marshall's, I believe. So I usually just take a few drops on my face, because I do have combination dry skin. So I like to make sure my skin is well moisturized. And I'm not going to do a eye look. I'm just going to basically focus on the foundation. Do my foundation, my concealer, highlight. No, I'm not going to highlight. I'm just going to do foundation, concealer, and powder. And then I might come back with a video on another first impressions. But yeah, so let's let that sink in. But I do want to touch these brows now. So let me do my brows quick. And you guys have seen me do my brows 100 times. So I'll do them off camera and I'll come right back. Alright guys, so we are back. My brows are done. And this is as good as I guess they're going to get. But if you do want to see an updated brow routine, I will link that up here in the cards. I think it goes up here. But yeah, so before we get started, and I'm not going to put on any color corrector because it says it's full coverage. So I want to see if it covers up my imperfections and things like that. But let me put some primer on my face. And y'all know I always use 2 primers. I'm going to start out with the Kat Von D Lock-It Featherweight Primer. And I'm just going to pump 2 pumps on the back of my hands. Alright, and then I'm just going to take my L'Oreal Perfecting Base Primer that I showed you guys 1,000 times. And I'm just going to put it where my pores are, because it fills in my pores pretty well. And like I said, I'm not going to color correct. So I'm going to take 2 pumps on the back of my hand. And we're going to go in with the Eco 2 sponge that is so soft, and it has a bigger flat side, if you can see that, and a smaller flat side, the bottom, and then it's also flat at the top, so that would be good for highlighting down the nose. But I'm just going to take this and dot it all over my face. And I'm guessing because it's matte that it will dry quick, so I will be working fast. And I hope this color is good. Like, I really hope it's good. So let me just pick up my mirror. Okay, that coverage is there, I'll tell you that much. I do feel like it's pulling orange, so yeah, it's pulling a little orange. Let's see. Let's just keep going. I know one thing, this sponge is so nice. This sponge is really nice. Alright, so my little dark spot right here is still peeking through just a little bit, but nothing major. Like I said, the foundation is pulling tight orange. But my hyperpigmentation, because right here on my chin, is covered up pretty good. So let me put on my glasses really quick because I need to see better. It's pulling slightly orange, but I don't think it's too bad. Once I highlight, I think it will look a little bit better. What y'all think? But I am gonna put another little pump, just small like that. And I want to dab this on my little dark spot right there. Yeah, that's better. So far so good. I like it. I love the coverage. The coverage is bomb. Okay. So yeah, the coverage is really nice on this. I'm loving the coverage. So let's just jump into concealer quick. I'm going to use the AOA Studio Wonder Cover Concealer in Fawn from SHOPMISSA. I think that looks so pretty from what I can see. Yeah, I know I'm blind. Put my glasses on. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Somebody feeling fancy. But I think that looks so pretty. And this sponge is life. Y'all gotta go get y'all one of these sponges. This Ego Tools, what is it called? The Perfecting Blender. This is nice. This is nice. It is super squishy. Oh my god, this is so nice. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna use that also to set my face with this SASHA. Let me open this up. See what all the hype is about. See what the hype is about. Okay. I'm just gonna dump some in the top. Oh, that might have been too much, but it's alright. Let me feel it. Oh, that's soft. Ooh, that's real soft. That is finely milled, really good. Okay, SASHA, come through. Come through, little Sash. Ooh, that was a lot of powder. That is nice. All right, so I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna contour taking my Black Radiant True Complexion Contour Palette. I got my Juvia's Place. This is the J121 Angle Contour Brush. So now I'm going to dust this powder off. Bruh, this powder is nice. This powder is nice. That looks so pretty. Like, that is pretty. And like I said, my little is still peeking through. So I'll probably like use color corrector on that. But overall, the foundation looks really, really pretty. And I hate the fact that I can't see without my damn glasses. Yeah, that looks really pretty. So let me just set the rest of my face using my Black Radiance soft focus powder in creamy bronze. Let me use the same brush. This is the Morphe GO. I think that looks really pretty. And it don't look as orange as it did. Yeah. So, yep, only thing left to do now is the spray suffice. Then I got my Maybelline Make It Last. And I like to just take my sponge and press in the setting spray. And I'm just pressing it in, so you're not going to be like disturbing anything you just did. Yeah, that looks so pretty. Yeah, see that? You might have something on your hands, Maybelline, because that powder is, that powder. The powder was good too. I don't know why it took me so long sleeping on SASHA Buttercup powder, but the powder was bomb AF. Foundation gets a thumbs up in my book, because I'm on a hunt for my perfect foundation that I can always go to when in need. It would never fail me. So I hope this is it. But I do have another foundation I need to try out, first impressions. But so far, that is getting an A+ for me. And this sponge, even though I got it filthy, but this sponge is bomb. I never thought I would love another sponge more than my Real Technique sponge, but I don't know. Eco Tools, you might be it. This sponge is super soft. But I do got some more sponges that I want to try out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I didn't want to make it that long, so yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you go out and try this foundation too. If you are on a hunt for a good foundation that is full coverage, yeah, go and check this out. I'm gonna wear it for a few hours, and I want to come back and let you guys know how I liked it, and hopefully I can come back and tell you. But if not, I would definitely tell you in my next video after this how I like the foundation and how it wore. But so far so good. It looks amazing. So I'm just gonna wear it like this. I'm not gonna do no eyes or nothing. I'm just gonna wear it like this. So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.